Find a comfortable position and for a short while focus on your breath, becoming conscious of your energy, your essence, your very being. There is a powerful energy of loving domestic connection, of supporting and being supported, facilitating feelings of safety and security. Breathe in fresh new energy and breathe out the old and stale. Feel tension and anxiety ease away and flow into a peaceful state of simply being in the here and now. Move into stillness and lightness of mind, body and spirit. This is your time to reflect, refresh and reset. Until the gong, consider what you are ready to leave behind and set an intention to bring a lighter energy in its place. This is a fresh start for you. Now is the perfect time to commit to your personal goals, to honor your deepest, most authentic emotions, and to strengthen connections with the people and places you hold dear, including nurturing yourself. Until the gong, connect with the positive and loving energy. Feel it within and around you. Set loving intentions and feel any fears and concerns drop away. Feel this beautiful energy wash over you, healing, cleansing and preparing you to embrace your new beginning. intentions and actions you set into motion now may provide a rich harvest of rewards just after the full moon. Yet now is not really about short-term gratification, but long-term satisfaction. Perhaps in starting a major project or making important changes to enhance your home life. Reflect now until the gong on your goals, dreams and desires. Appreciate and feel grateful for everything you have now, especially the sense of safety and security within your home, your loved ones and their support and love. Be mindful of being proactive in responses and avoid letting fear drive your actions when faced with obstacles or resistance that may hinder your fresh start. This is your unique journey, and the speed of change is perfectly aligned with where you are right now. Hold onto the positive energy and move forwards through any insecurities that may be holding you back. You are a unique and beautiful soul, and you are supported and protected always. Take time to rest and relax and process the changes and emotions that arise. Make sure every day includes a little time for activities that ignite your passion. If possible, create a designated special place for silence, meditation, yoga, or any calming and grounding practice. Speak kind words to yourself as well as others. Take a few moments now, simply being with yourself, honoring your deepest and most intimate feelings, fully immersed in love. take a deep breath in and slowly return to your surroundings. Thank you for choosing to meditate with me today. My love and appreciation flow to you. Peace, love, joy, harmony and abundance to you. Namaste.